So here in this problem, we need to find the value of three numbers such that these three numbers are forming a harmonic progression, along with some conditions that the sum of the numbers is 11 and the sum of their reciprocals is 1. So let us begin. So what we'll do to start with, we'll consider an arithmetic progression. So let us consider an arithmetic progression with the first term and the common difference being a and d respectively. And we're going to choose three numbers such that a minus d, a and a plus d are in arithmetic progression. Fine. The reason why we are choosing this particular sequence, because we know that if these three numbers are in arithmetic progression, then immediately with the reciprocal 1 over a minus d, the second term being 1 over a and the third term being 1 over a plus d are going to be in harmonic progression. Now what we'll do, we'll apply the condition. It's given here the sum of the numbers is 11. So that means we take 1 over a minus d, then add it to 1 over a and the third term 1 over a plus d. This sum comes out to be equals to 11. Fine. And it's also given here that the sum of the reciprocals. Sum of the reciprocals is what? That's the actually sum of the terms that are in AP. So that means a minus d added to a plus d. So that sums up to 1. Okay. Fine. So let's try to find out the value of a and d first. So here negative d and positive d cancels out. So we have 3a equals to 1. So a comes out to be 1/3. Fine. So here we'll try to replace the value of a with 1/3. So we have 1 over 1/3 minus d plus 1 over 1/3 plus 1 over 1/3 plus d equals to 11. Multiplying both numerator and the denominator with 3, we have 3 divided by 1 minus 3d plus 3 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 3d. This will be equals to 11. Let's further simplify. So we'll transpose 3 and combine it with 11 on the right hand side. So we have 3 over 1 minus 3d added to 3 over 1 plus 3d. So this will be equals to 11 minus 3. That will be 8. Now we can divide both sides with 3 and that gives us 1 over 1 minus 3d added to 1 over 1 plus 3d. So that's equals to 8 over 3. Fine. So let's combine the two terms on the left hand side. So we have 1 plus 3d added to 1 minus 3d in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 minus 9d squared. This will be equals to 8 over 3. So positive 3d, negative 3d cancels out. And now we have 2 divided by 1 minus 9d squared equals to 8 over 3. So 2 times 1 and 2 times 4. So we can now cross multiply to get 3 equals to 4 minus 36d squared, or 36d squared will be equals to 1 and d squared will be equals to 1 over 36, or simply d is plus or minus 1 over 6. So here we have two values of d. So when d could be positive 1 over 6 or d could be negative 1 over 6, but a value is going to be 1 over 3. So now that we have the value of a and d, let's try to find out the numbers. So let's choose when our a value is 1 over 3 and our d value is positive 1 over 6. So we had our sequence. We have 1 over a minus d, 1 over a and 1 over a plus, because we need to find out the numbers which are in harmonic progression. So we have 1 over a minus d, that will be equals to 1 divided by 1/3 minus 1/6. So this will be equals to, then we have 1 over a, which is simply 1 over 1/3. So this is going to be equals to 3. Then when we have 1 over a plus d, so that's 1 divided by 1/3 added to 1/6. So this is going to be equals to 2. So that means when a is 1/3 and d equals to 1/6, then this is going to give us three numbers, 6, 3, 2. These three numbers are in harmonic progression. And if we choose a equals to 1 over 3 and d equals to a negative value, negative 1 over 6, then our numbers are going to be 2, 3, and 6. And these three numbers are going to be in harmonic progression.